Hey everyone, Monkey Wrench Mike. We are back with another video here in my form of Disneyland. Yeah, when I come out here to Copart, it is like Disneyland. I love it. And I see a lot of old friends. Remember this i3 that I compared to a tweed jacket? Yeah, she's still here. And she's locked. Really? Somebody locked her up? Okay, well, that's all right. There are several other cars here. Probably 500 different cars and trucks and everything right here. So we're going to walk around and find some of the coolest. Well, hello, gorgeous. No, you're not so pretty anymore. This is what happens when you try to paint a car, I would say with a rattle can, in flat black. They even tried to paint the wheel. Oh, excuse me. This is a mess. I don't even want to review it because it's just so depressing. And you can tell by the interior and has not been taken care of. Yeah, what is this? An 08 Mercedes C350 in black. Now 2 or 3 tone black with this horrible, horrible paint job. That's bad. That is a mess. Ugh. Here's a car that's never been waxed. Yeah, if you can only see this thing in person. 1982 Mercedes 380 SL. And this is as rough as can be. I don't think she has been waxed at all in decades, okay? Wow, 1983. What were you doing in 1983? Were you even here in 1983? So she has been painted. Yeah, she has been painted, and maybe it's not the best paint job because there is some cracking and everything right here. But what? Man, these cars were the cars to have back in the day. And the door looks like it's a whole different color. I mean, it's white, but to me it looks like it's a whole different color, and you can see some more where they tried to tape it and kind of failed. But as far as dents and dings, I don't see a lot. Okay, this you can re-glue. That's not a big deal right there. And isn't it cool how they designed these right here? The little flutes, okay, right here where they kind of go in. That's because if it got dirty, parts of the rear taillight or the turn signal would still be seen. Here's your gas tank. Let's give her a ugh. Ugh. Can I even open this? I can't even get, hold on. I can't even open the gas filler door. I can't. Well, there's an indication of how long it's been there. I can't move that. Wow. Okay, so she's been sitting forever. But the interior, it's the tobacco brown. It's not a black. Is it? It looks brown. Yeah, it's a tobacco brown. Okay, they've added something in the back right here, like maybe a CD changer or something. Your wood is coming apart right here. It just smells like a grandma's house. Oh, it smells kind of like mothballs. You got a bunch of wiring. Something's going on right there. There's your glove box. Is this a switch? Like a kill switch or something? I don't know. I really don't know. You have a crack right here. Now you can get dash caps. They make them for this, and it will greatly improve the appearance. They come in black and you paint them. But the seats look good. Well, okay, so the bolster over there needs to be replaced. Get that leather rejuvenator, and these would look like new. And the door does kind of, there you go. Well, it kind of gives a little bit, but this looks okay right through here. I can't open and show you the engine bay because it's taped. Yep, so we can't do that. Well, we can go in on the other side and see what's happening. All right, let's do that. And we'll just kind of see if she has any life left in her. Let's do that. All right, as far as the interior on this side, it looks pretty good. You can tell the mileage, 121,000 miles. That's not bad for a, what did I say this was, 82? Okay, let's just see if there's any juice. There is juice. There's gas. Okay, let's just kind of see what happens. You ready? Nothing. Nothing. Well, I hope the engine isn't locked up. I really hope not. Oh, here we go. We just put it in neutral. Okay, Mama. All right, you want to come back to life? You want to come home with Mike? It has an oil change from '06. Okay, back in '06, they had the oil changed at a quick lube in Oklahoma. The mileage, I guess that's due the next time, 122 or at 121. So it hasn't really been on the road since '06. So there's probably no gas. Well, no, there is gas. We're building up oil pressure. Yeah, I'm sure the fuel is clogged. From '06, 17 years. Yeah, but at least the engine turns. That's cool. So she will start in neutral, but in park, you get nothing. I don't know why. Yeah, there's nothing there. Okay, I had the 560 SL, which was an amazing car. I think with these, you have to worry about the single row timing chain, if I remember right. You have the 450 and the 560 had the double row. I think the 380 had the single row timing chain, and that was an issue. If my memory serves me correctly. All right, we're gonna get out of the car. We're gonna say thank you for your service. I'm trying not to get mud anywhere because it has been wet. It has been cold here in Tulsa. But today, for some reason, it's like 52, and it's gorgeous. It's as beautiful as this car could be if you want to take a risk. I would in a heartbeat because I just love these. Well, can I interest you in a 1997 Pontiac Firebird? Yeah, remember these back in the day? This one has had a very hard life. The paint is gone. It's actually missing in some pieces. Lots of cracking and everything right through there. She's been sitting for a long time too. Every tire I think is almost flat. The cool thing is you get T-tops, which is fantastic. The windshield is not broken, but the dash, check this out. Yeah, that's horrible. That is all beat up. There goes this guy. That's another car getting delivered to the front. Someone has purchased it. I like the spoiler, the ring on the back right here. This is cool. They have the little brake light kind of built into it. Nice. But it's going to need a paint job. It really, really is. It has the old lockable gas. Let's give it the sniff test. Okay, well, I've smelled worse. I really have. It's not too bad. I want to show you the tinting too because the name of the company is really cool. Who tinted the car? Well, Dad. Dad's Window Tinting that complies with TCA 55-9-107. All right, what is your Pontiac story? Okay, everybody deals with this. Every single Pontiac Firebird owner deals with this, okay? Also, these always, the stitching goes out, it gets hard. Lost type on this, it's a mechanical. That's not a good sign. And there's a definite smell of oldness. Boy, you really sit weird in these things. It's a weird seat. T-top, okay, so your headliner's gone. This kind of works, this does not. Right there. Yeah, this is crazy. I don't even know if she's gonna try to do anything. I think she's been sitting in the woods for a long, long time. Yeah, there's no juice at all. My little Pontiac Firebird story is my sister got one when she graduated from high school, and my little brother, he got a full-size Ford Bronco. Well, Tim went down south to Louisiana. Mindy went up and worked the ski slopes in Colorado, and so they switched cars. So Mindy took Tim's Bronco because she needed it for the snow, and Tim took Mindy's Pontiac because she needed it. Ugh. He needed it, rather, to get back and forth. This is when he was playing collegiate baseball, I think. And so we all came back for Christmas, and the three kids went to Eskimo Joe's, and we were sitting around drinking a beer, and Tim looked at Mindy and said, okay, I can't stand it anymore. I got to tell you, I wrecked your car. He said it was totaled and I had it painted. And Mindy didn't even move a muscle. She said, well, that's okay, because the whole left side of your car is new. I wrecked it as well. So they had wrecked each other's cars. They fixed it, and they never told each other. I think my dad knew. My mother never knew. I think that's the story, if I remember right. But this, look at this old engine. Yeah, 5.7 liter. What was the horsepower back in 97 for these things? It wasn't a whole ton of a lot. Not a lot. The battery is right here. This is a, wow. This would cost you a lot of money to get back on the road. Just the painting alone. To have to strip all that and to fix it. Yeah, that would be a lot. So I think we're going to keep on moving. These are cool cars. Or they were back in the day. Not exceptionally fast. But what's your Pontiac story? Let me know, okay? Write it in the comments, and we'll kind of compare stories. I just thought it was so funny that they had wrecked each other's cars. And I think I said, well, I got a ticket a couple of months ago. That was my worst thing that had happened to me. Ha! But there you go. Pontiac Firebird Trans Am from back in the day. All right, what do you think about that there, Mercedes? Or are you more of a Firebird Trans Am kind of a guy? I don't know. They're both cool. They are both very, very cool cars. So let me know what you think about them. Please leave a comment. And if you have not yet, please subscribe. Okay, we're getting close to 52,000, I guess. 51,000, 52,000. I don't know, somewhere around there. You know the goal. It's a lofty goal to have 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. We'll see if that happens, but that depends on you. All right. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. We'll see you again very soon. And like I always say, hug those kids if you got them. Okay. Bye-bye, everybody.